Once you get on this train, you can't get off. That raised state of consciousness train I'm talking about. That raised, elevated, self-development path of evolution train. Because then you realize there's no days off, man. Man, there's no days off. The universe doesn't take days off, man. That descent, those laws of thermodynamics and entropy doesn't take a day off. In complex systems, entropy increases over time. Always. So you have to consistently combat that with strategic, disciplined, efficient, accurate movement.